Want to master forms in SwiftUI with real-time data observation and seamless validation? In this complete tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional dynamic form that responds to user input. Let's get started and take your iOS apps to the next level. So this is the app we will create. It enables the user to enter their username. And as I enter my username, you can see the progression within this bar. Enter my email address. Password. Gender. Hobbies. And also we can select a photo, but that's optional. And then we can submit the form. Xcode is a little bit slow again. So this is the application feature that we will create. Within your SwiftUI project, create a new observable class called form model. That means to select SwiftUI, not SwiftUI, because we're creating a class, and call it form model. Import observation to detect any changes within the class. Type in the observable macro. Form model. Type that again. Let's see, it might be an error. I'll type it. Observable. The form model will contain the following attributes: username, which is string, email, string, password, string, selected hobbies, which is an array or string, selected gender, string, image data, which is data, and it's also optional because the user doesn't have to select or provide any image. The next thing we need to create is a computed property, and the purpose of the computed property is to detect if the form is valid or not. So make sure that the form has an email address that includes an @ sign, and also includes at least one selected hobby. And the gender is selected. So the next feature or functionality we need to create is the progress bar of the form that will show the percentage value that the user has completed at each step. So this is another computed property that returns a double. Let total fields. To start with, we'll have a maximum of 5 fields. Let filters, or let fields equals our array of fields. On line 26, that should be there's an L missing. Fields. On line 28, that should be fields. So what we've done, we calculate the number of fields, count the non-empty username, email, password, and gender fields, and add 1 if the hobbies are selected. And then on lines 28, it returns the percentage of the form that's been completed. In the next tutorial, we will implement the details view. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.